Second floor plan. At this stage, the second floor plan can be created. The simplest method is using the Auto Floor Above command. This tool references information on the main floor to automatically generate the second floor drawing. While viewing the main floor drawing, select Model, Auto Floor Above. In the menu that opens, the name of the drawing and wall information can be input as needed. Select OK to generate the second floor drawing in a new tab. The second floor is automatically added to the Model section of the navigation window above the main floor. Before designing the layout of the second floor, items that were copied from the main floor will need to be erased. The Block Erase command can be used to erase the entire garage and other wall segments that should not be included in the second floor plan. The removal of the garage created a large gap. The simplest way to have two walls form a corner is to use the Fillet command. Select Tools, Fillet. Click the horizontal wall first, and then position the cursor on the vertical wall and click again. The two walls adjust to form the corner. Using the Erase commands, remove the partition 11.25-inch walls and the door that opens to the stair. Next, select Edit, Duplicate, and click one of the double-hung windows on the left wall. Select OK in the menu that opens and then click the window on the shorter front horizontal wall to duplicate the selected window. The next step is to sketch the partition walls that will create the layout of the second floor. Remember that room sizes do not have to be exact, as dimension lines will be drawn and edited to achieve a precise layout. Once the interior walls have been added, select the 3D Textured tab and review the appearance of the second floor layout thus far. Return to the Main Floor tab and edit the stair. Select the Stair Options tab and check the Hide Lines option in the Break section. This will hide the lines that comprise the stairs above the break line. Select OK and return to the second floor plan. Right-click the second floor tab and select New Vertical Tab Group to display the main floor side by side with the second floor. The Sync Model Zoom command from the Zoom menu allows for the second floor dimensions to be checked against the main floor plan for accuracy.